Hello everyone, I decided to show my ugliness. So I've been procrastinating for a lot of time. Let me give you some context. Later I will show you my art pieces. This is very novel experience for all of you because you have never seen a piece of art from me. Okay, let's talk about how I decided to do it. So I wanted to do something productive, and ever since I was a kid I wanted to make paintings. I love paintings. I love how people can create a image of what they think in their mind by their hands, and like they show it perfectly. Like you can even think of what they were thinking sometimes. Like some you can appreciate it from the point of view of their mind. It's a very unique feeling. I have never, no, I can't even explain about it. So I wanted to make a painting by myself, but I have never been able to because I don't paint well. Okay, so I decided to do drawing some little things like so. And Sunday I saw this book, and it was nothing. It's not very. I made a wait a minute. I don't know what book this is. Practical notebook. So this was just it. We use it in school. So I decided to. These are pieces where I cut the photo for my project. It is used in school. So I wanted to make pictures. Look at this. This is a gun I made, and the fuck is this? Wait a minute. There was this girl foot. Yes. I wanted to make an anime girl, so I made this. But this looks very ugly and horrifying. And then I stopped making another because I didn't want to try. Even I didn't want to try making a photo. But then I suddenly another day. I mean, a few months later, I decided to make another pictures. So these are some drawings. Look at this. So ugly. Mm, this is look at it, so ugly. I don't know what this is. I searched for iron bar, and then this is the iron bar. This is the hand. He was grabbing it like this. This is some, I don't know, this is some Pokemon. This is elephant. This is a girl dress skirt, and this is a rose. This is a ghost, mouse, rabbit, and turtle. I don't know, maybe they are racing. See who goes there first. And obviously turtle wins because slow and steady wins the race. And so just I made these for a few months ago, but now I once again decided to, I decided this time, I decided to be a YouTuber because you have to do something productive, and painting isn't my piece of what do they say, painting isn't my cup of tea. But I decided to, I will make paintings. Who the fuck cares? Okay, so painting, and these are not paintings, these are drawings. I call them paintings because I think it is very artistic. And I will make drawings here like so many white pages. Look at this. And if I make so many white pages, then blank pages, then I can definitely, I mean, not the very best, but I can still be a very good drawing drawer, drawing, like people who paint are called painter. Who are, what are they called when they draw? Never mind, I will be a very good artist. I can't be a drawer are in the wardrobe. Never mind. That was some silly joke. I hope you like it. Look at this. This is the girl. This is the anime girl. I don't know who she is. But just like that. Look at this. These are little hearts, and this is the girl. You look at her hand. I made it was a hoodie, but I fucked it up. Look at these fingers. I have never been able to draw fingers properly. I mean, I have a problem with fingers. I can't draw. Look at this. So rough lines. Like looks like she got beaten in the face. Look like here she got a slap in her face. Never mind. Um, okay, that's it.